In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloadable documents to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to share resources with your visitors, be it information guides, reports, or even complex data sets. So let's dive right into making your website more engaging and resourceful for your audience. First, you're going to want to open up your Wix editor. This is the control center where all the magic happens, giving you the creative freedom to tailor your site exactly how you envision it. Once you're there, head over to the Add Elements option. This section is your gateway to a variety of features, allowing you to enhance your site with numerous functionalities. Next, navigate to the Buttons section. It is here that you'll find the option for Document Buttons. These buttons are a great tool because they can seamlessly integrate downloadable files right onto your page. It ensures that your visitors can access whatever document you're sharing directly from your site without any hassle. Now, in this case, we'll be focusing on sharing an Excel sheet. So, select the type of document button that corresponds to an Excel file, or go for a generic document button if you're offering various files. Simply drag and drop the button onto your site. As soon as you've positioned it where you want, a box will pop up. This box is crucial. It's where you'll connect the button to the file you want to share. Go ahead and select the specific file you want your site visitors to download. Once you've picked the right file and everything is set up, press Add to Page. But we're not quite done yet. You want this button to not only function well, but also look and feel in line with your overall site design. To do this, click on the newly added button to bring up its settings. Here, you can personalize or adjust the look of your button. Explore the design settings to match the button's color and style to your website's theme. Not only can you tweak its appearance, but you can also explore various animations and effects. These can add a bit of flair, making your document button even more engaging and noticeable on your site. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've made your Wix site more interactive by enabling users to download useful documents. This process not only adds value, but also enhances user experience, inviting more interaction and helping you communicate effectively with your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to explore more ways to optimize your site. Happy web designing!